Something's happening over here to the right. I can't make a right turn. I have to go around. I think the person is stuck there, it's stalled. Yeah, that's not a traffic stop. And the police cruiser there is for safety, so nobody will just run into him. So wait a minute now. So we're driving along and something's happening. I gotta get out of the curb lane. They want people to move over. That's why the fire rescue truck is in the road the way it is. They want to channel the traffic. They want to channel the traffic. See the rescue wagon to the right? Now there was an accident here. You can tell because people are over to the right or they're out there watching it. Let's see if we can figure out what happened. Somebody's... We'll just take it easy. Okay, yep. Right here on the right. Yep. We'll just take it easy. Oh, look over to the far right. Look over to the far right. Look to the left. You see them over to the right, and this one here, one of them ended up off to the right, and the other one ended over in the other lane. I hope people were strapped in, and nobody was seriously injured. Hello folks, this is a quick addendum. Let me show you a better picture. This news item is first responders at scene of car crash on US 64 East. Remember I told you one of the cars ended up on the grass on the north side of the highway there? Ta-da! There it is up close. Thank you, WFMY. Steve AB4L saying, see you in 73.